Hello everyone, I'll show you how to install a bill acceptor by yourself on a MDB type machine. This will save you lots of money and it's gonna save you like 150 to 200 bucks instead of calling a vending machine technician. So I'll show you how it's done. It's simple, easy, and I'll show you from start to the end. So once you arrive to your vending machine, then once you have the bill acceptor with you, you have to find a place where you can put the bill acceptor. So there are two options. Then once it's on the top, then once here just beside the coin ejector. So what you do is you have to see if it will be easily situated. So you have to bring the bill acceptor with you and see if it fits right. So most probably the best location for your bill acceptor would be just here, just on top of the coin mechanism. Okay, so I'll show you how it's done. First of all, you have to turn off your vending machine just to be sure that everything's safe and secured. All these MDB devices are very sensitive, so you have to be sure that the power is switched off before installing any type of MDB type devices. So what you do is you have to locate the power source. So this is very simple. So what you do is you find the coin mechanism connector power source. Then so since this is an MDB, we can use this to connect by a series with the bill acceptor. So what you have to do is simply unplug this MDB connector. So it's been unplugged. So what you do is you get your bill acceptor. Since this is so bulky, the trick here is to remove the bill stacker, the top portion. So you simply have to push this plastic button, then simply pull the bill stacker. Then what you do is you simply have to situate it where the four screws on your vending machine. So you just have to simply pull it like that. What you do is you have to make sure that the screws are secured properly. If they are not secured, then if they are being abused in a public location with lots of customers, this bill acceptor might end up being damaged. So you have to make sure that everything is secured. To access the bottom part of the screws, you have to simply remove this bottom part of the bill acceptor. I'll show you. You have to you have to be very careful when you're removing the bottom part, because you see there's that the window there with the plastic part and the scanner. You don't want that window to be scratched. If it's scratched, it's going to be very hard for the scanner to recognize the bills, and it would result into rejects of the bills, the reject ratio rates, you know, it would not be that great. So you have to make sure that it won't be scratched. So you simply tighten up the screws at the bottom. I'm showing you an MEI bill acceptor since this is one of the most common ones in the market. See how easy it is? You can do it yourself. You can save $150 or even more, you know. Sometimes the vending repair technician would require a minimum of 1 hour and 30 minutes. That would be costing you like $200 just to install this bill acceptor, which you can do it by yourself. So you have to make sure that everything is connected properly. Yeah, okay, so once it's connected, you just have to make sure, just double check that everything's not loose, then, you know, just to make sure everything's connected. Then you have to install the top portion, the bill stacker. So you simply just connect it. So it's almost done. So you have to locate the power source of the bill acceptor and the coin mech. So you just have to simply put them together in series. That's basically it. Then you should be good. I'll show you how it's done. So I've connected everything in series. You have to make sure that the bill acceptor is connected to the coin mech, then it's also connected to the power. So you have to double check that everything is tight and not loose. If it's loose, there's a chance that the bill acceptor might be destroyed, including the coin acceptor. We don't want that to happen. So let's switch on the power. There you go. Everything is ready. Everything is working. So doing bill acceptor installation by yourself would save you a lot of money. Thank you for watching.